Yeah, yeah. You keep that dog at bay.
That dog scared me. So.
Oh shit.
They were processing him out, and then the guy from Miami told him, CPAC. You guys know CPAC.
Yep.
He says, well, if you wanna do your turn, whatever you have in your contract, you get. Right now I don't have time, and this is working out. I don't have time. And then a few days later, during lunchtime, I said, okay, let's go talk. I got the time now. Trick me or anything. But before months to right now.
This is Eddie's.
Still. So his name is Eddie? Eddie?
Eduardo Torres.
Ladder? Damn, is that heavy?
Sam never gave you nothing.
That big ass one.
It's good though, right? This is the bar. It goes in the bottom, slides in the bottom of it.
For when it's standing straight or
Yep. Pretty good. Here we go, Eddie. I got a mask in my truck.
Yeah.
What's wrong? Easy. Easy, man. Let me get the gas out of this thing, and I'm going to come up here and help. We're going to work together on this.
Now we're spending $1,000.
Oh, oil.
Yep. It was leaking for a long time.
Yep. You see the difference? Go ahead. This thing's rusted, bro. In bad shape, Angel. Doo-doo-doo. Yeah, this has refrigerant inside it. So right here, 7 pounds, 14 ounces is inside this.
Right.
Okay. Good, brother. You need a 90 Pro Press?
Yeah.
What size? 3/8, 7/8?
Do you have a straight 90?
A straight?
A street 90?
Yeah. A street 90, yeah.
Pro press?
Yes. What size?
7/8. Right here. Oh, that's not it.
I got it like maybe 100 feet from the hotel.
Mhm.
It's like walking from here to my son's house, my other son's house.
Right.
Close. And that's the area is Polanco. Polanco is like the Hollywood or Beverly Hills of Mexico.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so the apartment, the company was paying
It's all
over.
chewed up.
Huh?
So gasket's all chewed up. I had to change it out.
Oh, that's yours, right?
Yeah. I replaced it.
We want to say hello to you.
Bada bing.
Goes in.
Yeah, well, that's by California. That's code. You're supposed to put these on here, these plastic pads. That's what they're for, earthquake. So it has something to give, you know?
Yeah.
But I always put them on there, replace them anyway. Some people just set it back on the concrete. Some people use the old one. If I can, I try to put a new one, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So we get this tested on pressure. Hopefully everything holds, and then we pull the vacuum. Get all it. Don't say 10 o'clock, man. It'll jinx me. So I guess I'm gonna change the oil in this pump. So this is the oil right here. Just hit that valve right there. That's what I like about this thing, man. There's that old dirty oil. And just fill it back up.
You don't want me to jinx you, huh?
No, don't say, yeah. Oh, yeah, just a few more minutes, be good to go.
No, I don't have that kind of...
Nice clean oil in there now.
Huh?
I said change that old dirty oil out of there.
That's good.
Yep.
I plugged in
Clean this pump up.
I plug in this stuff right here. You see it right here.
Actually,
You
it
plug
wasn't too
this
bad.
up?
Not yet.
Not yet?
She turns 18 tomorrow, my daughter, so she'll be. Then she's gonna come out here. Her mom wanted her to be home because she's on the East Coast.
Mm-hmm.
So her mom wanted her to be home for the 18th birthday, which is understandable. And yeah, she comes out here next week. So when she's out here, man, we just go
That's good.
non-stop.
I take them every freaking way with me.
I would buy a house in Panama, man. I don't know.
This dog-
If I were you, I'd live in Panama. I don't know why I keep thinking Puerto Rico, man. It's fucking crazy.
Because Spanish. I speak
Yeah, Panama is beautiful, man. I love going down there. Panama is nice, man. I like Panama.
You know, Panama is like if you sometimes you know they got the rating of the best place to retire.
Yeah.
Panama sometimes is like number one.
To go, no leak.
Surgery up here, huh? Surgeon. Get your mask on. Look like you're in surgery.
What you get? Fucking 0?
I did? Oh, man.
Nasty ass shit.
Damn. My bad, bro. My bad, brother.
We're good up here, bro.
All right, I'm going to go downstairs and pull a vacuum on this thing.
All right.
10 CFM vacuum pump works great. VPX 7 from Field Piece. I have another one that's 8 CFM. They both work great, man. But this thing right here, oh yeah. Suck a golf ball through a garden hose, baby. You know what I mean? All right, that's it. Angel's son has the new AC. Like I said, nothing fancy. Just wanted to give a new air conditioner. I left the old disconnect. Saved as much money as I could for him. And we got a new AC and a new coil up top, so he's good to go. FYI, this is not the killer dog. Hey, buddy. This is the other dog. He's old feller. He's old. Still kicking though. So yeah, that's it. Here we go. Little 5-ton AC Pro. On to the next one, baby. Time to get on up out of here. You want to get some Indian food for lunch, you said, or Thai food? What do you want to get? You want to get some pho?
Sushi.
Some sushi? Okay, we get some sushi. Or some pho?
Or some pho. I'm down for whatever.
Yeah, we do that, man. I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? Okay, brother.
If anything, I'll call you.
Okay.
You got it.
Need anything, hit me up, all right?
You got it, man.
You take care of yourself.
Yeah, man. I am.
Keep in touch. Okay, Angel.
Already optimized, so it pops up, you know, up.
What is this?
I don't know, try it. I like my shit fucking deep fried, bro.
Yeah.
I got noties, man. I like some of these rolls though.
Mm.